In this video, I'm going to try some Pinterest art tutorials to see if they are really easy. So first we have a jelly, which seems pretty easy. Actually, it was easy until I sketched it. So for me, sketching was a difficult part. If it looks a little not jelly-like, blame me, okay? It's not the fault of the tutorial, it's just my skills which is not working right now. Other than that, it was pretty simple, I guess. So now as for the it looks, I guess it was 6 out of 10. Yeah, definitely my fault. But for difficulty, it was definitely 2 out of 10 because it was not that difficult. So now let's move on to our next one, which is a ring. And actually it was a gold ring, that's why I chose it, because I don't know at all how to set a metal or something metal like. So now let's see, will I be able to make this ring with the help of this tutorial? But to my surprise, the end result was actually good. Like getting this result with this less effort was so good, and that's why I will give it a 2 out of 10 for its difficulty level. As for the looks, it is 8 out of 10 for me. So for our last tutorial of this video, we have croissant. To be honest, it was a little hard for me, or I should say I was just confused on how they just jumped from step 4 to 5. So I just tried to figure out what they did there and tried to just do it. Or I would say it was not similar, but I tried my best to make it as similar or as good as theirs is. But this is the final result, and do let me know which one is your favorite. I enjoyed all of the tutorials and I will definitely make a part 2 of this video. But that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.